How to look after a pet woodlouse. Have you ever wondered how to look after a woodlice? Without sufficient care, they may die within 24 hours from being eaten by predators or not given the right housing. Make an effort and care for them properly by using these suggestions and learn about these fascinating little bugs. Part 1: Making a home for the woodlouse. 1. Find a suitable jar or tall plastic container for your woodlouse, and make sure there are no ways for the woodlouse to escape. 2. Cover the top of the jar or container with thick tissue or foil and make a few tiny holes in it. Attach the foil or tissue to the jar or container with an elastic band. 3. For a substrate, consider using wood chips. 4. Make sure your woodlouse is healthy, and put the jar or container somewhere dark and damp. H4 Shoebox Home. H4. 1. Get an old shoebox. Go out into the woods or garden and dig up some soil, pick it up and place it in the shoebox. 2. Add lots of small, damp pieces of wood, bark or twigs. Don't get the box itself too damp, it might go soggy and become insecure. Part 2: Adding a woodlouse or woodlice. 1. Get one woodlouse or several woodlice from outdoors. Your best bet to find them is picking up rocks and logs and looking underneath. Don't get slugs, they put slime everywhere and sometimes escape. Part 3: Caring for the woodlice. 1. Feed the woodlouse a little lettuce now and then. 2. Feed the woodlouse once a week with one dried leaf or moldy piece of wood. 3. Keep on adding more soil, bark and some more woodlice, as desired. You will eventually have made a predator-free habitat for woodlice. 4. Keep the woodlice cool. On hot days, if you keep them outside, place a cool stone or pebble into their container so they can keep damp and cool. 5. Add plant life. These guys might like a few small low-maintenance plants in their container to keep the air clean. Make sure there is plenty. Part 4: Breeding woodlice. 1. Breed the woodlice. If you would like 2 woodlice to mate, collect 2 in the spring or autumn, fall. However, if it works, you will have to let the male, usually the bigger woodlouse, go. Tips. Jam jars and long Tupperware are just the right size to keep your pet in. You can tell it is a female as there is a small pouch and there it will keep its offspring. Find some brown, dry leaves. They love these. Try to put other little critters in there so the woodlouse does not get bored. However, be certain that these are not predatory on the woodlouse. The woodlouse lives for 2 years and some even up to 4 years, so be kind, feed him for a few days then let him go. Warnings. Always put holes in the lid of your jar. Don't use a shovel when collecting, you may injure woodlice or any other creatures. If you don't feed your woodlouse, it might die after 2 weeks. Don't let the woodlice escape into your house. Don't go digging up any old place, ask for permission first.